Hi there, today we're exploring the Enernova 50 feet 10 AWG solar cable with connectors designed for efficient solar panel setups. This cable features a pair of 50-foot 10 AWG wires in red and black, reducing power loss compared to thinner cables. Its XLPO insulation withstands extreme temperatures from -40 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit and offers superior UV resistance. The tinned pure copper wiring ensures excellent conductivity and strong corrosion resistance, extending the cable's lifespan up to 25 years. With an IP67 waterproof male connector, it seals out water and dust to prevent corrosion in harsh outdoor conditions. DIY-friendly, one end has a connector, while the other is bare wire for easy controller connection. Extra connectors are included for expanding your solar system with simple plug-and-play installation. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.